Hi, welcome to this process video. Today what I want to do is I am highlighting stickers and how I use them in the Heidi Swapp memory planner. So I have a couple videos on here about this year's memory planner collection. But what I want to do today is talk stickers and a couple different ways that I use them in my planner. And let's get started with that. The first way I want to talk about today that I use stickers in my planner is I like to use a paper punch and punch them out in different shapes. Most especially for me, I like a circle punch. So I have a pretty good size circle punch here. It's probably about 1.25 inches. What you want to do is find a sticker. I'm using the Playful Sticker book. And that's part of Heidi's 2018 Memory Planner collection. And you can see here, I already cut that one out. That one is here. You want to find one that's going to fit inside the paper punch space, if you will. So you can see how that one fits in there. It's not quite straight on. So what I can do is trim off a little side of it. I don't want to trim too much because I don't want to cut into where the circle is actually going to cut. But I can trim off just a little bit at a time and then see if I can fit that in the center. I can. So I fit that in the center of my circle punch and punch that out. And then I have a circle sticker to stick anywhere on my planner. And that's just one way I use the stickers in my Heidi Swapp planner. The next way I use stickers in my planner is what I call an altered image. And you can call it anything you want. That's just what I happen to call it. So I take a squarish sticker, more so a sticker that I can trim out at the bottom. So what I did for this one, and more for the purpose of demonstrating it to you than anything, is I went ahead and stuck it to a piece of white cardstock. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to notch the bottom. So I'll V-notch it by putting a cut right in the middle and then going from corner to the top of that cut and then corner to the middle again. And this is just a super simple way to alter a sticker for your planner. It's nothing super fancy, but it just gives it a little bit more interest. And so that is one other way that I use the Fresh Start stickers in my planner. Okay, another way I use these stickers, these Fresh Start stickers in my planner, is something I love to do, is an interactive type piece. So, excuse me, it becomes a little less stickery, but it's a place for hidden journaling, notes that you don't necessarily want to be out there, or you just want to show off a really pretty sticker. So this is sort of like what we just did with the altered sticker. So I'm going to take a piece of white cardstock. I'm going to choose a sticker that I love so much. Good things come to those that hustle. I'm going to pull that off the backer. It also is going to sit on here and as straight as I possibly can make it. What I'm going to do when I cut this, however, I'm going to cut straight up and leave a lot of extra at the top. I'm going to take a ruler and a stylus and give it a bit of a score so that it will fold nicely. And that's what will adhere to the, let me get this closer for you. That's what will adhere to the inside. So this, for example, that's pretty big piece of paper underneath. You could trim that smaller so that it is just has about 1/4 inch at the top that you adhere to the back of your planner page, just like that. And then you have this great interactive piece. These are great on the weekly pages as well as the monthly pages. And that is another way I use the Fresh Start stickers in my planner. Here's another way that you'll see stickers in my planner. I'm basically just making, so with the altered sticker, the interactive sticker, and now what I call a quill card, I'm just basically making them not stickers by putting them on a piece of cardstock. So now I just have this cute 2x2 card, and I slip it in here on my clip, and it becomes part of my page. It reminds me, this is my day, this is the one I've been given, and I just love that I can be creative with how these stickers find their home in my planner. And I have one more way that I use my stickers that I'll show you next. The last altered way I'm going to show you how I use the Fresh Start stickers in my planner is with these little flags here. They might be a little hard to see, but I have 2 flags that came from the sticker book. And again, using the same process as a couple of the other ways I've used so far. See, like this is a great, these little flags here would be great to use for a kind of interactive flag. So what you're going to do, again, peel that off of the backer. And then take a piece of cardstock. It helps if the cardstock isn't too extra thick. Just a sort of basic weight cardstock is great for this. And then you're just going to cut around the shape of the flag. And you have this great notched banner, flag, whatever you care to call it. The other trick that I do with this is when I add my adhesive, I just go down here at the very end. I don't add adhesive to the entire flag. That way it gives it this little raised dimension here that I love the raised, I love the dimension, I love when things pop up off the page. And so that is how those stickers work. So just to remind you what we did today, we punched out a sticker and made it a circle. We altered a sticker, put it on a backer card on a piece of cardstock, notched the ends. We made an interactive piece that helps with hidden journaling or hidden whatever. We made a quote card by also putting the sticker on a piece of cardstock. And then we added some dimensional little flags by putting them on a piece of cardstock, notching them, and then just adding a little bit of adhesive to the end. Thank you so much for joining this video today. If there's anything you would like to see me demonstrate in my planner, I would love for your comments to be added on the YouTube channel. You can do that right here below. So thank you again, and I'll see you next time.